Welcome, friends. Look at this beautiful, unfiltered sunset. Of course, it was caused by the fires, unfortunately, but it's just too beautiful not to share. Okay, now back to gambling. Here's a couple of Will's super subscriber wins. He's an Alabama truck driver. First, hand pay, $1,362. But look at this. On a $1.50 bet, super subscriber Will hit $9,069. Congratulations, Will. Thanks for sending it in to me. Tell Rhett. Hey, Rhett. Oh my God, it is a hand pay. I was recording for my husband just to see. We're waiting for Dennis. There's Dennis and Maureen. You're waiting for Dennis to get back, and he's not gonna be happy with me. Look at that, guys. I just sitting here. I know I didn't, but I was just waiting for you guys. That's when you get the hand pay, when you're not expecting it. $1,300. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.